Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, today's topic of this video is Harbinger. What is Harbinger? It is the first global hackathon that was recently announced by RBI. Very important information, very important question, MCQ question that can be from that. Harbinger, it was, or it can be asked, what was the first global hackathon that was launched by RBI, or it was announced by RBI? That is your Harbinger. RBI launched its first global hackathon, and the theme or motto was Innovation for Transformation. Mark this. Innovation for Transformation is the theme or motto of Harbinger. That is the first global hackathon that was launched by RBI. Reserve Bank of India organizes the first global hackathon, and it was named Harbinger 2021. 2021 because it was in the year 2021. Innovation for Transformation with the theme Smarter Digital Payments. Alright, I repeat, Innovation for Transformation is the motto, and the theme being Smarter Digital Payments. Mark this, very important. Smarter digital payment. What is the theme for the Harbinger 2021 that was organized by RBI? The theme is smarter digital payments. The hackathon was launched to encourage innovation in the payment system, and it includes four problem statements to shape the future of the payment systems in India. Which organization of India deals with the payment? What is the name of the organization? NP. What is it? National Payment Corporation of India. All right, it deals with the all the e-payment, that is electronic payment related functionals and or all the related information related to it is dealt by NPCI. But what is hackathon? Do you know what is hackathon? A hackathon is an event that is organized to bring together people and entities for the development of an innovative solution for the existing challenges in the specified area through problem statements. That means, for an example, Apple company launched their new iPhone. All right. Now they launched the new iPhone. Now they launched a hackathon, or they launched an event of hackathon stating that this phone is not vulnerable to hacking attacks, or it cannot be hacked. So it started a hackathon stating that any person who will hack this phone will be awarded. This will help the company to make their this particular phone more secure. That means the security will increase as they know the various ways in which this particular phone will be hacked by these people who participated in the hackathon. All right, it means a problem is given to the group of people and they are asked to solve that particular problem, and there are various team in these hackathon. The person who solves in a better way and in more efficient way is awarded. What are the objectives of this particular hackathon? The hackathon invites participants to identify and enable solutions or business models that have the potential to make digital payments accessible to the underprivileged section, enhancing the ease of payments, enriching the user experience while strengthening the security of digital payments and promoting customer protection. Then, what are the problem statement? Means what are the issues that are being solved during this hackathon? That means the solution should be innovative. It should be easy to use. Known mobile digital payment solutions for converting small ticket cash transactions to the digital mode. Then, context-based retail payments to remove the physical act of payment. That means avoiding cash and bringing everything to the digital payment. The alternate authentication mechanism for digital payments. Like, what are the payments methods right as of now? RTGS. Then UPI. UPI is one of the most famous methods of payment nowadays. All right. Then social media analysis monitoring tool for detection of digital payment frauds and disruption. That means if there is any fraud related to the digital payments, it can also be monitored from it. Coming ahead, the hackathon is owned and sponsored by RBI and is hosted on Application Programming Interface Exchange platform. The participants of Harbinger 2021 will get an opportunity to get mentored by industry experts and exhibit their innovative solutions and win prize in each category. Winner in each category of problem statements will get prize money of 40 lakh rupees, and a runner-up will get 20 lakh rupees. Runner-up is the second position, and prize money winner will is the first position will be getting 40 lakh rupees, and the runner-up, that is the second position, will be getting around 20 lakh rupees. If we talk about RBI then, so this was the top video. If we talk about RBI stands for Reserve Bank of India. It was established on 1st of April 1935. Headquarter is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das sir, and the deputy governors are, there are 4 deputy governors of. Another important question being here is this: how many deputy governors can be appointed by RBI at a time? Only 4 deputy governors can be there at a time of RBI. All right. Hello friends. Through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862 and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price and that will help you to boost your preparation.